Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks, so we want to find the thrust in newtons and kilogram force. They give us 86,000 pound force, lbf. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We've got a gas turbine, so air is sucked in, it's compressed, it ignites, exhaust comes out. We have a reaction force, which is thrust. We're trying to find that in newtons and kilogram force. List all the givens for step 2 and the unknowns. So they give us 86,000 pound force. We want to find it in newtons and kilogram force. Step 3, find the conversion factor for thrust in newtons and thrust in kilogram force. So we've got 1 pound force is equal to 4.448 newtons. 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.81 newtons. Step 4, find thrust in newtons and kilogram force. So for newtons, 86,000 pound force is equal to the multiplier or conversion factor. So we have this lbf and then we multiply by this conversion factor. The lbf will cancel out, so you will get 382,528 newtons. Once you have that number, you sub it back in for the thrust in kilogram force. So you take that number, you multiply it by the conversion factor, and you'll get 38,993.67 kilogram force. How do you know which one is the denominator, which one is the numerator? So you want to cancel out the unit, so that one will always be on the bottom. So the lbf cancels lbf, and you want to cancel out newtons, so your newtons will be on the bottom. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can save this video by using the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the taskbar icon of snipping tool. If it's not there, type in snipping tool in your Windows search. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button. On YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or you found a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.